Hello, hello, and welcome. This is Toko Saya, Thoko Thaya, and this is our class on how to buy your hosting and domain name on Namecheap. Let me share my screen so I can put you through the basics. Yes, this is Namecheap in the search bar, and we have Namecheap TM domain hosting. Once you click and you get on their site, the first thing I need you to do is hover on hosting and click on shared hosting. Shared hosting will give us the options of hostings that Namecheap has. Basically, they have these three options: Stellar, Popular, and Stellar Business. I'd advise you to start from Stellar. Stellar would allow you to host 3 websites. I'd also advise you to buy the yearly plan. Strongly advise that you buy the yearly plan. That will just be around $17 plus, thereabout. This is a tutorial, and I'll just be picking that to click on Get Started. And it brings you onto the next page where we need to get our domain name. Now, since this is a new domain, we'll go to Search for Domains, and we'll be searching for our domain. Whichever name you would like to use, whichever name you would want your website to be referred to as. Wealthy Nation, T-I-O-N, Nation. Is that spelling correct? Wealthy Nation. So you want Wealthy Nation. On this particular one, wealthynation.com is taken, but there are other options. You can have .xyz, that's $1. Renewal is $10.88. You can have .io, that's you'll be buying this domain name. If I'm buying it at .io for $28.88 and renewing it next year for $32, you can buy .website for free this year. And please avoid the free one. Please avoid the free one. You can still do .club. .club is $1.57 and renewal is $11. So I'll just be picking that, and no, .com is taken already. Please, if you want to do search for .com, I'd rather you search for .com. Now, once that is done, click on Connect to Hosting. You just have to scroll down and click on Connect to Hosting. Now, once you're find domain, search again. Well, the nation, the website. Okay, we have that taken. So you have $2.88 per month. That should be yearly on your own case. Your hosting should be yearly, so you can edit it and make sure it's yearly. Your domain name, that's yearly. Please, I'll prefer that you get this at .com. It's easiest to remember at .com. Now here you will see the amount of money that you're supposed to pay for this. Then you click on Add to Cart. Once this is added to cart, on this page, please, I would want you to also get your positive SSL. That's just about $4. So make sure you get your positive SSL. That's important. Make sure you get your positive SSL. That's important. So positive SSL is important. Make sure you get your positive SSL. HolisGuard, you'll get that for free. Now, once you have confirmed all that you want to buy, you click on Confirm Order. Whichever, you can click on Confirm Order there or here, it's okay. Now, for you, you will need to create a new account, a username, your password. You need to click on all this, and if you want to get their newsletter in your email, you create your account and continue. For me, I'll just be signing into my own account. Okay, Taya said I should actually create a new account. So username, I'm just taking a fictitious name here to create this account. Username, let me see, username. What should we use for username? Faith. So username is Faith. Suggest a strong password. Use suggested password. First name, Faith. Last name, Blessed. How is that for names? Faith Blessed. Email, you need to provide a valid email address at this point. That is where the configuration will be going to. I'll be taking my most active mail. Okay, let me use Gmail. I think Tabata at gmail.com. Yes, or which one do you prefer? Okay, so you say create accounts and continue. I'll be getting their newsletters since that is ticked. I have a validation error. Username is already in use. So I need to do something about Faith. Okay, Tokotaya 2. She wants the number 2. Okay. Let's try this username. Create account and continue. Okay, I need to get my password set up again. Password suggested. That place should be their name. That place. Yeah, the place should be the name should be your name. Should be the name you use normally. All right, so we have these accounts. We have accounts, open first name. Now we'll be doing this. And if you are registering for a company, please name of your company and job title. If not, take that away. Address. Zip or postal code 234. Select country. Country here now is Nigeria. Your phone extension for Nigeria is 234. Sure that is very correct. And confirm, cross-check, make sure all of this is correct. Changing that back to Faith since the username is what I used as FAIT. So make sure all of this is correct. Make sure all this is correct. And then you click on continue. Continue. I guess I have to go over getting the hosting and domain again. Not to worry, it's not going to take time. Have an opportunity to see me do it twice. See me do it twice. That's it, that's it. Connect to hosting. Scroll down and click on connect to hosting. That's set up. You can add it to cart. So, awesome. Now we have all this set up. please remember, make sure to get your positive SSL. Make sure to get your positive SSL, please. Make sure to click on getting your positive SSL. Make sure you do not skip that. So you should have your domain registration for 1 year. You should have your Whois Guide is free. Your Stellar should be for 1 year. That's about 17. I'm taking all this off auto renewal because this is just a test class. You can leave yours on auto renewal at this point. Make sure you have your positive SSL. We've confirmed that all is good. We click on confirm order. This will take us to the next page where you will need to add your card details. Any of our normal Naira cards that we can use to make payment online will work. If you have paper, they can work. If you have account funds too, you can work. I'll be putting on all my account details, and after that, I will be back. So give me a sec. Let me load my account details on, and then we'll come back. All right. I've set up my card details, and all I'll be doing now is just click on continue. So we'll wait for it to move on. We're waiting for it to load. Okay, so we have moved step account setup, billing order, and we're here. So we can review all that we have bought. Please remember to have your domain, your hosting, and your positive SSL. Then remember to click on this, terms and agreements. You have to click on that. Once you have clicked on that, click on pay now, and you'll be getting the relevant information in your, make sure you have added your active email account. So order sent for processing, 2 out of 3 items have been completed, being processed, and we will soon be done. Right away, we will have our web. This is just a survey. If you're interested, you can take it. If not, you can just close it. So thanks for your purchase, your order, payment, and that has been set. And just that easy, you would have purchased your first domain name, you'll have your first website. Isn't that all for it? Till you're on